One aileron, 4 spoilers each wing. That is how the A320 rolls. The aileron is controlled by the ELAC. ELAC 1 normally, ELAC 2 takes over if ELAC 1 fails. Both ELACs fail, ailerons go to damping mode, neutral. These spoilers are split across 3 secs. Sec 3 controls spoiler 2, Sec 1 controls spoilers 3 and 4, Sec 2 controls spoiler 5. As Sec fails, its spoilers automatically retract. And here is the part most simmers don't know. When one spoiler fails on one wing, its mirror spoiler on the opposite wing is inhibited. Symmetry. Asymmetric spoiler extension would roll the aircraft uncommanded. The system prevents that automatically. Maximum aileron deflection 25 degrees, spoilers 2, 4 and 5 up to 35 degrees, spoiler 3 only 7 degrees. And when the flaps extend, the ailerons drop 5 degrees down. More lift, coordinated surface, geometry. 3 computers, 9 spoilers total across both wings, 2 ailerons. All working together every time you move the side stick laterally. Did you know losing one sec retracts its spoilers and kills the symmetric ones too? Next, what happens to roll when you lose both ELACs?